So that's my pumpkin vine there, and as I showed you before, a few little cabbage that I have there. I got a whole lot of tomatoes. Yeah, I reaped a whole lot of tomatoes. So the tomatoes are drying down now, so I have to be planting back some more. But my project for today is my fall cover. I just ordered some layers, so I'm building up now my little coop, in which I will be putting in about about a dozen layer. So just laying the foundation for that part. So this is my COVID curfew lockdown project. While the government of Jamaica said from 12 o'clock yesterday until 5 a.m. tomorrow morning, we are not supposed to leave our home unless we are frontline staff, frontline workers. We have to stay home. So while staying home having nothing to do, I decided to put in my little fall cover right here. It is 68 inches wide by about 90 inches long. So I will be putting in my layer chicks right there.